Hey everybody, let's make it real. And today we're going to go to oye.org. And the nice thing about going to this website is you'll find all of the Supreme Court cases that are relevant to topics national and state. So when it comes to our discussion about federalism, you can find out all that you need to know about the cases of, let's say, McCulloch versus Maryland, or when it comes to the issue of slavery, Dred versus Sandford, or two others that are discussing the relation of interstate commerce or interstate relationships, the cases of United States versus Lopez, and Seminole tribe of Florida versus Florida. And the cool thing that you can do with this website as well is that you can find out how the justices voted by seniority and also by ideology. And you'll notice that the more conservative justices are on the right and the more liberal justices are on the left. And if you notice a trend here with the case of United States versus Lopez, as with the case of Seminole tribe of Florida versus Florida, if you do this by ideology as well, you'll notice something very similar, where the conservative judges voted in favor of the states in both cases. And the discussion of federalism really dates back to the issue of McCulloch versus Maryland, so you should also look at what was entailed in that case and how it drew the line as to the powers of the states versus the powers of the federal government.